Diffuse pollution in urban areas is really the responsibility of a whole variety of stakeholders. It involves the general public because in a sense, we individually as well as collectively are the prime source of that pollution. And I think everybody believes that we need a better environment, that we need our rivers to be a better quality.
It's all about managing water in that urban environment and how we can do that better and more sustainably for the benefit of the environment and also for the benefit of the people who live there as well.
The mechanics, by and large, in terms of the institutional frameworks, the legal requirements and so on, are there. The problem is how we bring all those sectors together so that we have a proper strategic and integrated approach. And I think that should be one of the main objectives that this kind of forum will eventually lead us to.
So today's all about sharing information between the different sectors that we have, so between academia, business, industry and policy.
There's people obviously from the university, there's people from the local authorities, from industry, there's people from local government, national government and lots of practitioners.
Those people are all responsible for bits of the jigsaw. So without the academics, you wouldn't know some of these things that are on the horizon. Without the people from policy, from DEFRA, you wouldn't know where the money is going to be spent by the government and what the government's priorities are in this particular area. Without the consultants, you wouldn't know what people are doing on case studies in different parts of the country.
So this kind of forum provides the opportunity where those kinds of groupings might come together and discuss and identify their concerns and share their interests as well.
And getting them all to realise what data is available, what problems have already been solved, getting them to understand what the real issues are that need to be solved, it's got to be an important step.
The purpose really is to get people together from lots of different strands of the problem to come together and pool their ideas and learn from each other, because nobody has a monopoly on the truth, nobody has a monopoly on the solutions to these things. So we're all doing our bit, and it's good to see new faces and hear new ideas.
If I only talk to my colleagues at BGS, I'll get one answer. If I go to the person who actually needs a solution and get them to tell me what they need, I can create something in collaboration with them, potentially, that answers their question perfectly, and that's what my job is about.
It's very important that we have everybody to complete the whole picture. If we didn't, you'd be getting academics going off on a tangent, you'd be getting policymakers not having the right information, and people like in the delivery end not knowing what the potential is out there and the tools that they could use to improve their local environment.
What's great about today is we've started to hear about, okay, how can we push on with the action planning and really get people involved at the local level in making a difference to their urban environments, because the urban environment's where the majority of us live in England.
I think we have had some real successes. I think we've got people to share some ideas, and people have a little bit better understanding now of other people's problems and any barriers, and I think you just need a number of events like this to keep eating away at the problem and come up with a solution. So.
There's a good mixture between information being presented via talks and that opportunity to come and find out what people have actually been doing in different places and to hear their experiences. That opportunity is something that Water at Leeds do very well.